Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shia. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. Also, we are so close to 500 subscribers, so please subscribe my channel. As we all know, festive season is just around the corner and I don't want my girlies to look plain, sober and simple. I mean, we are girls. थोड़ा glam तो बनता ही है. Guys, I'm gonna do a very subtle, soft yet attractive look so that you all can do it with the minimum amount of product available. Few days back on my Instagram, I have posted this story asking you all to ask me the question which you want to know about me and literally got tons of messages. So इस वीडियो में मेकअप के साथ साथ we're gonna answer them one by one so that you all can get to know me a little bit better. I have wrote down all the questions in my diary because I'm shooting with my phone and my makeup pouch is also with me. So without further blabbering, let's just dive straight into the video. I have already prepped my skin behind the camera, nothing major. I just straight went ahead with this Snail Mucin and topped it off with a good moisturizer just to lock in the product. All the product that I'm going to use, I'll mention it in the description box below, so do check them out. Moving on to the first question, how has it been like to make a career out of Instagram? I'm sure it was interesting yet tiring. First of all, I love you for asking this question because as an audience, people only see the end result of my video that I post because I choose to post only the glitz and glam of my content creation part, which is exactly not the reality. हर एक वीडियो जो आप मेरी प्रोफाइल पर देखते हो, मेरे चैनल पर देखते हो, it goes through a lot of navigations from a small idea to planning, then filming, then editing, then execution. It goes through a lot. So yeah, all this process is kind of tiring, but the best and the interesting part is you guys because I get to create my own tribe and my own people. और जब आप लोग आके मुझे messages करते हो that okay, we love this, we love that, or you're doing great, even a constructive criticism that you need to upgrade the quality, ठीक है आपको ये करना चाहिए या ये changes करना चाहिए in your upcoming videos. All these things are the interesting and the best part about my job. And to be honest, for me, yes, it gets tiring because being a small influencer or you can say a small creator, हर एक चीज़ मुझे खुद को ही करना पड़ता है. Here I am only shaping my brows because as you can see, my brows is a little bushy. So जब मैं इसे fill करती हूँ तो बहुत अजीब सा look देता है. Also to answer your question that how's it been to make a career out of Instagram, then I will say the journey was quite remarkable because I get to learn a new things about this field and myself, and I hope it will continue to be that way. I hope you did get your answer. So the next question is, would love to know about how you plan your trips from booking till visiting places. So let me tell you one thing about all the travels that I do. My only job is to at least be there. मैं हमेशा लोगों को जाकर बोलती हूँ चलो उदयपुर चले, चलो दिल्ली चले, चलो यहाँ चलते हैं, वहाँ चलते हैं, एंड पूरा का पूरा ट्रिप मेरी दीदी और उनके दोस्त और मेरे फ्रेंड्स देखते हैं. आई हैव zero contribution in every planning and plotting. Really sorry that I'm not the right person to ask this question, but I will say मैंने मेरी दीदी को प्लान करते हुए देखा है ट्रिप. तो वो क्या करते हैं हमेशा, जैसे सपोज हमें उदयपुर जाना है तो वो वहाँ के ब्लॉग्स देखने लगते हैं. सारी ट्रेवल का मैंडेटरी फर्स्ट थिंग यही होता है कि लोग मिलकर पहले ग्रुप बनाते हैं, देन उसमें लोग ऐड होते हैं. तो उस ग्रुप में सारी फाइनलाइज चीज़ें जाती है कि ठीक है हम यहाँ जा सकते हैं, वहाँ जा सकते हैं, और ट्रिप के 2-4 दिन पहले बैठ कर सिर्फ ये डिसाइड होता है कि ठीक है यहाँ से इधर जाएंगे, यहाँ से इधर, यहाँ से इधर, यहाँ से इधर. सो दिस इज हाउ शी प्लान हर द ट्रिप्स. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द अनदर शेड फ्रॉम दिस पैलेट ओनली. Moving on to the next question, what is your long-term goal? I mean, do you want to go in movies, series or modeling? Okay, all of a sudden I feel like I'm in an interview and I get that weird kind of pressure of giving the best answer possible, but I'll be very very honest with you all. My long-term goal is to make a good amount of money with my content. I really love to do it, and what better feeling than getting paid doing something that you enjoys to do. When I was in school, तब मैं बहुत ऐसे photo shoots और ये सब करवाती थी. That time I was like making my mind to go in modeling, but जैसे जैसे साल बढ़ते the feeling fades away and now I'm here. Right now I'm not planning to go in that direction, but never say never. Universe has its own way of working out, so let's see where it goes. Now I'm just quickly gonna bake my high points. All of a sudden the weather gets so gloomy, but okay, we're gonna finish these questions. Share your skincare routine, must needed thing. Before answering this question, we are gonna move on to the eyes area, so we're gonna zoom in a little bit. We are gonna use this palette by Huda Girl. Actually this is my first eyeshadow palette ever. जब मैंने content creation just start किया था तो I just thought कि ये Huda Beauty का palette है. Then I realized कि नहीं, दोनों अलग अलग है और मैंने कोई सा तो लोकल ब्रांड ले लिया है, बट स्टिल इसमें जितने भी शेड है दे आर सुपर पिगमेंटेड. आई ऑलवेज यूज दिस पैलेट. I'm using this shade from the palette, which is Love Bite. Okay, so to answer your question, actually all thanks to my parents' good genes कि मेरा skin ऐसी है. Because honestly saying मेरा जो skin care routine है वो इतना भी कोई complicated या इतना भी कुछ खास है नहीं. But if you still want to know about that, then I'll be making or I'll be doing a separate video for that. So stay tuned for it. We really need to blend this color in the eyes. और ये जो corners है इसको हम थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ lift करेंगे blend करने के साथ साथ. और फिर यहाँ अंदर तक आते आते I'm gonna use a different shade which is a little bit darker. It is Tease. Okay. I hope camera में capture हो रहा है अच्छे से the transition between this lighter and the darker shade. For the center of my eyes, I always love to add a little bit of glitter or shimmer. So I always use this shade which is Crave. To apply this shimmer, I prefer using my fingers because I feel like इससे ज़्यादा application अच्छा होता है. See. Perfect. These days I'm obsessed with brown kajal, so we're gonna fill the waterline with this brown kajal. Okay, it's so hard. मैं कभी कभी सेम ही काजल को अपने आईलाइनर वाले एरियाज में भी अप्लाई करती हूँ to give it a more precise or defined eyes. And with the help of this flat kind of brush, I just blend it. Moving on to the next question. Any wardrobe malfunction? ठीक है. No, actually I've never experienced this kind of situation in my life ever, because year by year my style has really like moved from being stylish or wearing crop top or short dresses to something that is very casual and comfy. So I don't think so I have ever experienced this. So I would say that these days I have chose comfort over stylish clothes. To really highlight my inner corners, I'm using this highlighter by Inside Cosmetics. And then with the help of black kajal, I love to do my inner corner thing. We are literally coming to the end of this eye makeup. Just some mascara lagana and we are good to go, I guess. Moving on to the next question. How's life lately and how do you keep yourself motivated? My life has never been the same. It is always like a roller coaster, just like every other person. In short, मुझे ऐसा लगने लगता है that मैं कोई जेठालाल का जीवन जी रही हूँ. And honestly, I have no complaints about it because I know कुछ साल बाद जब मैं यही चीज़ जाकर देखूंगी कि ओके मेरे साथ पास्ट में ये हुआ था, तो मैं खुद ही हंसने वाली हूँ. आई नो that for sure. No point of getting irritated or demotivated or considering yourself less than any other person. Oh, just look at my eyes. Difference, major difference, right? और जहाँ तक की बात है मोटिवेटेड रहने की, तो नो, मैं हमेशा मोटिवेटेड नहीं रहती हूँ. आई हैव दोज 1 or 2 पर्सन जिसको मैं आई इंस्टेंटली रीच आउट व्हेन एवर समथिंग बैड हैपन्स टू मी एंड वो लोग मुझे खुश कर देते हैं. सो ऑलवेज सराउंड योर सेल्फ विद द काइंड ऑफ पीपल who wants nothing but good for you. क्या ये मक्खी को. So now I have become a kind of person who enjoys her own company and enjoys her own solitude. So अभी मैं इतना ज़्यादा reach out नहीं करती हूँ लोगों को. So I do this thing which I don't know if you guys find it related or helpful, but let me share it with you all. I do this weird thing. जो मेरा अभी फ़िलहाल में जो wallpaper है वो ये दो है, ठीक है. एंड इस पर मैंने बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशंस लिखे हुए हैं और मैंने कभी इन्हें पूरा कंप्लीटली रीड ही नहीं करा है. इंटरेस्ट पर जाकर जस्ट टाइप पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशन एज अ वॉलपेपर. जस्ट सिलेक्ट 1 or 2 दैट यू लाइक. के अंदर जो एफर्मेशंस लिखे हैं उन्हें बिल्कुल भी रीड मत करो और डिज़ाइन के बेसिस पे पसंद करके उसे अपना वॉलपेपर सेट कर लो. जब भी आपको अजीब फील हो या बुरा फील हो तो जस्ट try to read 1 or 2 of the affirmations and I'm sure आपको उस टाइम पर ऐसा लगेगा कि this is the thing that I really wanted to hear at this particular point of time. पर तो ऐसा हुआ that I felt very low, had some situation going on in my life and I really wanted some answer. उस point of time में I just look at my phone screen and I just read that and trust me, it really did help me in my decision making. बहुत सारा ज्ञान हो गया आज के लिए. Moving on to the makeup. Since I've completed this eye look, let me go just behind the camera and do this and I'll be back. Wait. Ta-da! And we are back. See, I told you this is going to be very simple, attractive, yet quick. Now for the blush, I'm going all in with my all-time favorite Pac X Sara blush in the shade Turkish Delight. As a child, what do you want to be when you grow up? Okay, that's a very nostalgic or fun question to answer. But I'll say, when I was growing up, I always wanted to see myself on big screen, like dancing and acting on some good roles, just like every other girl. जैसा कि हम कोई अच्छी मूवी देखते हैं और उसमें कोई अच्छा कैरेक्टर है और बहुत अच्छा लग गया, तो वी स्टार्टेड टू इमेजिन आवर सेल्फ एज दैट पर्टिकुलर एक्टर. बट ठीक है, वो सब तो नहीं है अभी. वो जो इनर चाइल्ड वाला चीज़ होता है ना, वो अभी भी है मेरे अंदर. सो कभी भी आई फील लो और मुझे अजीब लग रहा होता है, तो आई जस्ट ओपन माई लैपटॉप और उसमें मैं अपनी सेम यूट्यूब और इंस्टाग्राम की वीडियोज़ देखती हूँ, विच मेक्स मी अ लिटिल प्राउड ऑन माई सेल्फ. क्योंकि जब सेम चीज़ें मैं 2-1 साल पहले किसी और के अकाउंट में देखती थी, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार ये मुझे भी करना है, ऐसा मैं भी कर पाऊँगी या नहीं. एंड नाउ आई डू ऑल दिस शूट्स एंड रिकॉर्ड ऑल दिस बाय माई सेल्फ, बाय माई ओन. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सी, दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ जस्ट वन स्ट्रोक. आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू ब्लेंड माई ब्लश इन दिस अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन सो दैट आई विल गेट दैट स्निच्ड फेस like Bella Hadid. Now to highlight my cheeks also, I'm again using this Inside का blush in the shade Mermaid Scale. और इसी के साथ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी देख लेते हैं. आफ्टर मेकिंग कॉन्टेंट एवरी क्रिएटर नीड्स अ ब्रेक, yes, to think more creativity. How was yours? So to be honest with you all, let me tell you all what exactly happens. हफ्ते के 4 दिन I am super active. Like इतने सारी चीज़ है कि मुझे ये भी शूट करना है, मुझे वो भी शूट करना है, मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. इतने सारे कॉन्स्टेंटली आइडियाज़ फ्लो होते रहते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा लगने लगता है कि ओके, एम आई द जीनियस, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. सो दैट्स वाई आई ऑलवेज कीप डायरीज विद मी टू नोट डाउन ऑल माई थाट्स. एंड बाकी के बचे हुए 3 दिन आई फील लाइक ओके, सब कुछ गलत जा रहा है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है, क्या शूट करूँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे. सो दैट टाइम और वो जो फीलिंग है, दैट really used to mess up with my mind, and it still does. Because let's be honest, if you are a new creator, then you have to show up daily. अगर आपके पास पोस्ट करने को कुछ है भी नहीं, then still you have to be there for your audience, and that constant pressure of posting daily really fucks up with your mind. तो इसलिए उस टाइम पर मैं वो चीज़ें फिल्म करती हूँ जो मैं नोट डाउन करके रखती हूँ अपनी डायरी में, बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक टू टेक ब्रेक्स. ठीक है, अगर सर्कमस्टांसेस ही ऐसे हो जाते हैं जहाँ पर आई हैव टू बी देयर फॉर माई फैमिली और आई हैव टू बी समवेयर, तो ठीक है, उसका मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. बिकॉज आई एम रियली ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस आउट बिटवीन दोज टू इमोशंस, बिकॉज आई नो लॉन्ग रन के लिए वो बहुत ख़राब होने वाला है मेरे ही लिए. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो दिस इज द लास्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव. क्या शिया मैम को लेसन क्या शिया मैम को भी घर के काम जैसे खाना बनाना, घर की साफ सफाई इत्यादि करने पड़ते हैं? So honey, let me tell you one thing. I am the middle child of my house, and we all know middle child are like certified छोटू of every Indian household. So yes, मुझे without any other choice वो काम करने ही पड़ते हैं. ठीक है, this all glitz and glam is for my socials, but my घर का जो status है, that's a like literal chotu. This is I guess the last part of this makeup tutorial. I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner which is in the shade Bold. Come closer please. The lip combo that I'm gonna be wearing right now is like my ultimate go-to. Okay, मैं हमेशा when I have nothing in my mind, तो मैं हमेशा यही lip combo use करती हूँ. Now I have to smudge this lining. Then I would really love to top it up with this lip gloss. It is from Zudio. I don't know अभी भी वो ये sell करते हैं या नहीं. And you can clearly see इसको मैंने almost ख़त्म कर ही दिया है. Like ये मुझे इतना पसंद है. See. Now the last thing that we have to do here is setting all this makeup with the help of a setting spray. And also इसी के साथ हम एक और question देखते हैं. What's your take on female friendships? Wait. This question is very personal to me. I don't know if I'll be able to answer this with my utmost honesty, but I'll try my best. Having a female companion in your life is like blessing in disguise. I see my sister having that bond with her best friend, and they're really there for each other. And touch wood, which is exactly not the same case for me. Okay, and I don't blame it to anyone just because of this. I know everything happens for a reason, and I'm in that phase of my life where I would rather hang out with myself and enjoys my own company than being with surrounded by the people whom I cannot even trust. So I definitely feel that this female friendship concept is missing, and in my scenario, as of now, I don't have that kind of bond, but I'm sure you will have that kind of bond with somebody else. Last question, we have another. When you coming Goa? I would love to come to Goa. Like, I know that I'm a beach person for sure, and soon I'm planning my next travel. So stay tuned to find out where I'll be going next. This is it for today's video. I hope you all loved it as much as I love creating it for you all. I hope आपको ये festive look अच्छा लगा हो, and if you really did, then please let me know in the comment section. And I really tried to answer every question asked with my utmost honesty. Having said that, I'm signing off for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye!